Hello friends and welcome to the video of Margi ERP, in which our today's topic is that how we can view the bill details of the selected bill. In Margi ERP software, you can easily view and modify the bill details of the selected bill like transport details, order number, e-way bill number, etc. So let's come and see its process in the software. For that, we will press Alt M key on home screen of the software. So this modify window will get open. Now here in number field, we will mention that bill number of which you want to view the bill details and then set this for field to edit and press enter key. So that this sale alteration window will get open along with the selected bill. Now you can click on detail tab which is given below and can view the bill details of the selected bill. And by clicking on modify tab, you can also do the modifications as per your requirement. Apart from this, if you don't know the bill number of whose detail you want to view or you want to view the bill details of more than one bill. So in this case, you will skip this number field, means keep this field as blank and press enter key. So your cursor will switch to this field. Now you will select from the drop down of this field that of when you want to view the details of the generated bill, like you want to view the details of those bills which are being generated today, or the details of those bills which are being generated yesterday, or the bills which are being generated in last 7 days or 14 days, or of last working days, or of Saturday and Sunday, or of last or current month bills you want to view, or of any particular month bills like November, December, etc. Or you want to view the details of all the bills that are being generated till date. And if you want, then you can set this field as custom and can customize the dates as per your requirement, that is from which date till which date you want to view the bill details. So suppose for now we will set this field as all and keep pressing enter key. Then this sales book window will get open. Now from here, for whichever bill you want to view the details, then for that you will move the cursor to that bill and then press F2 key on it from the keyboard. And then you can view the bill details for the selected bill. Similarly, for whichever bill you want to view the details, then you will simply select that bill from this sales book window by pressing F2 key and view its details. And you can also modify them as per your requirement. So friends, by following the simple steps shown in this video, you can view the bill details of the selected bill and can also modify it as per your requirement. Thank you.
Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.